Welcome guys to the beginner course, the second part, which we're going to be speaking about technical analysis. Alright, like I said to you, fundamental traders, technical analysis will be another tool in your set of in your toolbox in order for you guys to become proficient traders. Right now we can have a look at the graph of the euro US dollar. Okay, this is a nice graph of the euro US dollar, but it's relatively small. All right, it's relatively small. What I want you guys to do is I want you guys to go and have a look at a bigger graph on a bigger scale so you can see the initial movements of the price of the assets. All right, so what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to go to a very good site called NetDania. All right, NetDania is probably the simplest and easiest one for you guys to have a look at a nicer graph. NetDania.com. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to go to click on charts. Okay. As soon as you come in, you can also sign up and register for the NetStation trading station. I wouldn't recommend it. It's not really for beginners. You won't understand it. But as soon as you progress and you guys really want to be a professional trader with 2 trading screens and you want to take this into a serious manner and make this your first income, all right, primary income, it is amazing, amazing, amazing. All right. So let's have a look. What we're going to do is we're going to run this time for Java, and we are going to have a look at our charts. Okay, hold on, let this wait. So here guys, what we can see is we can choose most of the assets that are found on the trading platform. How do we do that? We're going to click on instruments. Alright, here you have all of your currencies, all of your commodities, your gold, your oil, your silver, euro, US dollar, everything. Let's have a look at the euro, US dollar. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to have a look at the graph on a bigger scale. So where we're going to go over here to detached charts. You guys are going to click on detached chart, and over here you will find a nice and bigger chart. As you can see guys, over here, alright, from this point to this point over here, this is going to be a downward trend. Let's not have a look at the rest of the price of the asset. Alright, I want us to have a look from here to here. You can see this is a very, very nice downward trend. If we are looking at the price from here to here, this is an upward trend. So I want to show you right now. Let's have a look over here. Alright, if we can see the price from here to here, this is an upward trend. Let's not take into consideration the price over here. Let's say the graph ended over here. This is a nice upward trend. Alright, if you guys had to open up a position over here, over here, over here, over here, a core position right now on the euro US dollar, you would have made some nice profit. Alright, also a downward trend. I want you guys to have a look at what a downward trend is. Alright, one could be like this. Alright, this is a fantastic downward trend. Alright, should actually be from the top of the candlestick over here all the way to the bottom over here, but you guys can get an idea. This is a downward trend, this is an upward trend over here, and then I want to show you guys the price is just moving between here, between the top line and the bottom line. It's not a support or a resistance because I'm not going to get into support and resistance right now. It's a bit technical for you guys. I just want to show you how to distinguish between your different types of your trends. Okay, an upward trend, a downward trend, and your general moving trend as well. Alright, so this is going to be it for today. You can always change your assets by going over here, Australian US dollar. Alright, you can also change to USD Canadian. Okay, here we can see from here to here, nice downward trend. You can also change the graph in different times as well. You can have a look at the graph in 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, days, weeks, months. Okay, so if we're looking at the US Canadian in weeks, alright, if we can see the price in weeks, if you did a long-term position on the US Canadian, you will have been able to make money. Let's have a look over here. Add lines, freehand. Okay, right now. Fantastic, nice upward trend for a couple of weeks. Each candlestick, these are called candlesticks, each candlestick is representing 1 week. Okay, so look at the price here, long-term positions. You guys could have done a core position, you would have been able to make money. I'm not going to get into support and resistance right now. It's a bit too technical. I just want you guys to start distinguishing between your downward trends, your upward trends, and having a look at the patterns found on your technical analysis.